Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another townhouse update video for you all. Lots of improvements from last time. We tackled this patio thing up here because it was sagging a little bit, so we were able to put a post in the middle right there. We're gonna self-level all this, paint on top of that, call that done because it's a pain in the butt to get up all this tile right here. We'll go ahead and go inside. We finally put down all this flooring. My wife and I and father-in-law put all the flooring in down here. It looks really good. We still have a bunch of shit all in the way, but that's all right. Stairs, one of those little things that's gonna go unnoticed, but each one was hanging in by like 2 nails, which was insane. So we reseated all the, not risers, I forget what those little guys are right there, but reseated them all into the 2x12 and then drilled more screws into them as well to really get them supported. So we are gonna put risers in the back to close it in because I don't like free floating stairs. And those are done. We have them all sanded down because we're gonna paint them gray. Granite is in the kitchen. Flooring just goes throughout. It looks really good. It's a pain in the butt, but it's done. And then the granite's in as well. And then coming to the sink, we have a nice single sink. And I just installed that faucet last night with the garbage disposal, but this is one of these things that's gonna go unnoticed, right? So these were freaking leaky pipes and everything. So we had to redo piping here. We had to redo piping in the bathroom, redo some piping inside the laundry room as well. It's just all these little things with the house in the 80s just go unnoticed. So, but it's preventative maintenance basically, as they say in the Air Force world. So we won't have to deal with it in the future. But dang, I mean, it's so close to being done. Just a couple more baseboards and things like that. It's just all this tiny little stuff that really adds up and adds up. The bathrooms are done-ish. We got the vanity in. Same one downstairs, but it's just the center and not these little end caps. And my wife downstairs, she's resurfacing the tub to make it nice and white like this one up here. Beds are all in. It looks like a complete mess. We'll probably just spend a day just getting crap out. But this is what all that plywood was from. But they put plywood and carpet on top of this wood, so it got really moldy. But all we're gonna do is just repaint it. I had to sand a little bit right here because there was sap that had come up. But it's gonna look really good and it's gonna save a ton of money. And then coming out into the front deck. So this is that same wood, but my wife had painted it gray. And then we had to put new railing right here because this was all dry rot as well. So we put new 2x6 down, 2x8, 2x6, new 2x6 down. Had to hold it up like basically right here, lift one side because this is load bearing for this whole roof right here. So we basically had to notch it out all at once because I feel like before it was just one long piece that they had just used. And then we just hit it up under here as well. And then we've also replaced a couple of the little 2x4s right here, just for temporary stuff. We want to put nice railing up here, like over there, like their railing, because that railing is, you know, very modern and stuff, and this is just straight out of the 80s. But again, that's a very quick little update. We do have a fan feature Friday. It's gonna be next Friday because he sent in very detailed stuff. But I just haven't been able to really sit down at my computer and go through it to give him the Fan Feature Friday he deserves. But I did see the email, so Fan Feature Friday will be here next Friday. Guys, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Be productive, do whatever you gotta do, and I will catch you all in the next video. All right, see you later.